And in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be installing some decals. These decals are from a company called Decal Studio. You can find them on Instagram. I'll pop a link in the description below. So we are going to start off by giving this a good rub. After cleaning the window with the alcohol wipe, I just dried it with a microfiber cloth. Here's the bad boy we're going to be sticking on. At this point I was just lining up the decal just to make sure I was happy with it. Once I was happy with it, I then held it down using masking tape at the top. You want to start off by separating the transfer tape and the backing at the corner. Whilst not touching the transfer tape, you want to gently pull back the backing slowly, keeping the backing nice and close to the transfer tape up until you've completely rolled it all off. Start in the middle, rub it down the middle, rub down. Start from the middle, work my way out. Right to the edge. I realised at this point it was going to be difficult to remove the transfer tape off in one piece. So I decided to cut it and then just remove it section by section, which proved to be easier for myself. I also learned when you're taking the transfer tape off, you want to do it slowly and you want to pull at an angle, not pull up. I am gassed about how this thing, have a look at that, man. It just makes the car look so different. Like, big shout out to at the Decal Studio for getting these done, because yeah, I just love it. I just love looking at the car now.